Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there was a little bird named Chirpy. Chirpy was small, but he had a big heart. He loved to sing every morning and spread happiness in the forest. One day, a strong wind blew through the forest, causing all the trees